Hi people, we're at the Maydene in Blackpool on Dean Street, South Shore, and I've booked a single room, and let's take a look, shall we? This is a single room. The gentleman who just checked me in, lovely guy, and all really chatty and friendly. So yeah, this is single bed, pillows comfy. Let's check the bed, shall we? Yeah, got the mattress protector cover over it, proper mattress casing, and we've got a lamp by the side of the bed and a little shelf area. Needs plugging in. And then there's a TV. Let's double check it works. Just gotta switch it on. Oh, bear with me. Right, there we go. I think I've pressed the right button. Yeah, TV works, and I think that's the extension lead for this lamp. Try that. There we go. That's beautiful, isn't it? Yeah. And then there's your fire evacuation procedure. Double socket with USB chargers and a full length mirror. And we've got a bin and towels, and I presume that be shower mat, and then a fridge, lovely and clean, and a kettle. Yeah, not too bad. A little bit of scale, but not major. And your tea, coffee, and biscuits. And a lovely artificial plant, and blinds, curtains, and the curtains are clean. Yeah, clean. Got a radiator there, bedside table with drill. And then we've got this bathroom. Just see where the light is. Just bear with me, I'm trying to find the light. Ah, there it is. Right in the corner it's hiding. Right, so this is the bathroom. So you got a sink there. And another mirror. Air freshener, toilet roll. And a vanity bit and mirror, and toilet brush, and clean toilet, toilet roll, bin, another mirror there, and a shower. Ooh, there's like a rainfall shower head, and it's clean. So yeah, nice little cozy room. I paid £35 for the night, and that includes breakfast. There's a coat hook there, and a lovely picture, and also there's a resort map there as well. So yeah, let me know in the comments whether you would book this. Like I said, £35 for the night. And this is the lounge games room area. And this is where breakfast is held as well. So if I'll quickly show you that as well. Little fridge, toaster, because it's continental breakfast at the moment. But for the price, again, that's a good price. And you got a microwave there as well, which you can use. So yeah, so this is Maydene Hotel. Let me know in the comments what you think. Thanks for watching.